Happy Friday, you guys. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new, my name is Joy and we make videos in New York to help you make it and live life on your terms. So my best friend actually surprised me and she's flying in tonight to New York and she's gonna be here for the weekend. She's actually supposed to move to New York City on the 12th, but she's gonna come here earlier and she decided to surprise me. So I'm really excited and we're going to like have this whole week planned out. So I'm gonna take you guys with me, but I am just getting the apartment set up. Brody is making a mess over here and getting all his toys everywhere and farting a lot. Here's the nail kit that I wasn't gonna use because she's like, I'm gonna take you to get your nails done, and just wanted to see how you guys are doing. It is currently 22 degrees as a high today. The low is gonna be 12 degrees, so you know I'm not really outside that much. I am inside with some wine. I got my hair cut today, so it's like nice and flowy. I was supposed to film a video, but I did not, so I guess I'll just do that later. But this is a vlog, a weekend in my life. I'm gonna be taking you guys to Omasaki and Williamsburg tomorrow to a place called Ume, and then we're planning on going to the Mug. I saw it on TikTok in the East Village, so we're gonna go over there tomorrow and then go shopping and maybe go back to the Met on Sunday. I don't know. Or go to brunch. So I'll take you guys through like a realistic day in the life, weekend in the life of living in New York City, friend edition. So let's see how that goes. See you guys in the next clip. Hi, you're from Chill House. We are freezing.
Put my hood up, it's freezing.
It is so cold, and tonight we are going to get omakase in Williamsburg at Ume, and we don't know if it's gonna be colder, but we are in St. Mark's right now. Hopefully we don't die.
Or freeze.
We went to Soho. There was like this Insta baddie taking photos just like shamelessly in the shop, and we went to the puffer shop. That was really cool, and that's about it. Soupy wants to go to the plant shop, which is farther away, and I really don't want to go because I don't want to freeze. We'll negotiate. We'll see from there.
We'll see how we feel after the hot Thai food.
How was your first few moments of New York?
It's cold, it's fun, and I love it.
Any tips?
Bring earmuffs. I came from Chicago and my ears are the coldest part, so bring earmuffs for sure.
And mittens?
Yes, definitely mittens, but not these kind because you can't do stuff. So ones with the fingers.
Okay. I have these right now and they're cashmere, but they don't really grip well. So I think if you guys are gonna get mittens, definitely get the leather one. Alright, the trick to dining outside, you guys, is you ask for hot water instead of regular water. I feel like a snow bunny. You guys, on a scale of 1 to 10, how Brooklyn do I look with the beanie? I think if I double fold it, I would look more Brooklyn. And I would take off this mask for you guys, but I am too lazy to take off these hoops. I got my hoops in because I'm going to Brooklyn. Ready?
I'm ready.
We're going to Brooklyn. We're going to Ume. So we're going to go to Ume. It's omakase. And it's traditional, which means it's outdoor. We're going to be sitting on the floors. We're going to take you guys. I'm going to force her to take the L train. We're not going to Uber. Look how hipster I look. Like, I even wrapped the socks over my... I actually layered leggings with my sweats because it's like 22 degrees right now. So yeah, we're gonna do the omakase even though we're like super full from Thai food. And yeah, I'll see you guys there. Okay. So we're a little early to our reservation, but we are in Williamsburg, and look how cute this place is. This is like their little like COVID waiting area, and you have to do reservations, and it's like right around the Brooklyn Bridge, the Williamsburg Bridge, Manhattan Bridge. Sorry. Do you guys want to be in my vlog? Oh fuck, I blew something. Okay, apparently we're supposed to drink the soup first and then try all the sauce individually first before pairing, and then we're supposed to eat them from left to right, and you can play around the seasoning. So let's start. This broth is seriously life-changing. Like, if you think bone broth is good, like, you've never had this. This is like umami, like, I don't even know. It's just so flavorful. I think there's like shrimp like things in here. They're having a bromance behind me. I'm trying to set someone up. Set me up.
Later.
Okay guys, we just finished omakase, if that's how you pronounce it, right?
Yeah.
And Supriya really wanted to get desserts, and I was like, well, I'm fat, so we should go home. She's like, no, we're coming here. So
It's so good.
It's so good. And we were gonna just like go get it to go. And then the guy's like super Italian. He was just like, come on. And we're all like, what? And he was like, walked us into our little like private little situation.
And it's beautiful. It's
with
warm.
like heaters and everything. You guys, like, I'm just saying. Brooklyn's just a new vibe that more people need to check out, right? Like, this is so cute. Look at the little lights.
It's so cute.
Because she wanted to see what the city was like. We'll give her 2 months before she spends all her money on Ubers, before she realizes that she's gonna go poor. She doesn't realize how to take the subway.
I hate the subway.
It's not that bad.
Well, it's not bad.
It was not that bad.
It was nice, but I just like don't want to like take it.
The next day.
Guys, this is literally the best nail experience I've had in New York City. Oh my god. I have my Maman hot coffee. It has lavender in it.